Welcome back everyone! In our final episode of Trip to France, we're starting off with an epic race between these two young brothers. It's gonna be full of laughs, sharp corners, and maybe a few dramatic falls, so let's go! Best way to keep your kids visible from a mile.
Disco. To wybierz sobie jakie chcesz. Tak? Super.
And now, I would like to take you on a journey to Toulon. Unfortunately, I only have pictures because I lost most of the video footage. National Maritime Museum displays on French naval history from the 17th century to the present day in the Arsenal Gatehouse.
Knock, who's there?
Bro.
That is the part that the footage was lost. But guys, if you are ever around Toulon, go to Mount Faron. The views are amazing.
every story has its end. Our is coming to the end as well. We're 200 kilometers away from the ferry that way. The sunny spot was there. Overall, it was an amazing break. We had absolute blast. You've seen it. I think we've done it all. I cannot recommend France enough. It's very hostile. People are extremely friendly. It's super clean. Look at even this park here. We're basically in the middle of pretty much nowhere, and there's not a single spot of dirt. Everything is nice and clean. I need to finish this, so it's time to finish that episode as well. Thank you so much for watching, for sharing, and for commenting. It's a lot for me. And keep watching, because there's gonna be new stuff coming. So thanks again, and good luck.
Quay đầu nhập sạch, hẹp dốc,